How's it going, math scholars? Today's topic is using AM and PM. And the reason this is important is because, well, obviously all of you guys probably have experienced that there's two really different 9 o'clocks during the day, right? There's 9 o'clock in the morning when you're maybe sometimes you're waking up or sometimes having a late breakfast on a weekend and or going out to play with your friends. And then there's also 9 o'clock at night when you're probably trying to go to bed or getting some work done or doing some chores for your parents. Both 9 o'clock, but both very different times in the day. So, how many hours are there really in a day? And the truth of the matter is that there's actually 24 hours in each day. 24 hours. But we think back to our clock that we're supposed to use to represent time. That doesn't seem to be the case, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Something's not right here. Why don't we have a 24-hour round thing that we use to tell time? Well, 12 kind of fits pretty well. It looks a little bit pretty, but no matter, it's 12, right? There's 12 hours on the clock, which means that an easy solution is just to have our hour hand go through once and then go through twice. That could be what we do. So our hour hand actually goes through that whole loop, that 12-hour loop, twice. So we need to be able to have a way to be able to know if it's going through the first time, which probably stands for in the morning, or if it's going through the second time, which probably stands for, at night. And what we use is something called AM and PM. And AM stands for ante-meridiem, and PM stands for post-meridiem. Now, these are big words, but mostly really only have to remember AM and PM. It'd be pretty impressive, though, if you could tell your friends that AM actually stands for ante-meridiem. And what meridiem stands for is midday, aka noon, 12 p.m. Noon time, mid-meridiem, which is day. And AM is ante, which means before midday, before noon. And post is after. Post midday or afternoon. So AM really just means before noon, and PM really just means afternoon. So now that you have that in your little tool belt, you will know exactly when an activity should be occurring, right? If I told you that I woke up and I ate breakfast and the sun was just starting to come over the horizon, you'll know that I'm talking about 6 o'clock a.m. But if I'm saying, the sun's just starting to set and I'm coming home, I'm about to eat dinner, you'll know that I'm talking about 6 o'clock p.m. All right. Good luck.